Let's take a look at this problem, zigzag string from Interviewbit. So in this problem we are given a string and we have to return another string which is in a zigzag pattern, and we are also given the number of rows. So for example, if we are given this string PayPal is hiring, if the number of rows is equal to 3, the zigzag pattern of the given string would appear such like this. So in the first row we have PAHN, and in the second row we have these letters, third row we have these. So on combining all these three rows, we'll get this string, and this is what we have to return. Now let's take a look at the solution approach and consider the example that is given in the question. So in the question we are given the string PayPal is hiring and B is equal to 3. So the number of rows is equal to 3 and the zigzag manner will be given like this. So the solution approach is this: we have to take a array of strings or a vector and initialize it to the number of rows that we are given, that is B. And then we have to take two variables. The first one will denote the row number and the second one will denote the direction in which we are currently going. And then we have to take a loop, or we have to traverse the string character wise, and then in the loop we have to append the current character to the current row. So for example, if we are at row number 1, we have to append the current character to this row and then increment the row number and check whether the incremented row number is within the limits. So in this example the row limits will be from 0 to 2, and if we shoot out of the range we have to correct the row number and then flip the row traversal direction. Now let's code out the solution. So first we have to take a vector of strings and then initialize it to the size of number of rows, that is B. We have to take two variables, that is row, and second one will be boolean direction is equal to 0. So 0 denotes down direction, and then we have to traverse the string and this row will be initialized to 0. In the loop we have to append the given character to the current row. So A row dot push back AI. So we have pushed the current character to current row, and then if dir, that is if we are going in upward direction we have to decrement row, so row minus minus. Otherwise if we are going in the down direction we have to increment the row. Now let's check whether it's in the limits. So if row is greater than p minus 1, row minus equal to 2, because minus 1 will give us back the current row again and we have to go above that, so minus 2, and also flip the direction, so dir will be equal to 1, that is upward direction. And if row is less than 0, that means we have to increment row and flip the direction. and this gives us a vector of strings, and finally we just have to concatenate all of them and return the answer. So string solution, and for string e belonging to E, we just append it and return solution. And the one edge case will be when b is equal to 1. So if b is equal to 1, return the original string. So if there is just one row, we have to return the original string. That's obvious. Now let's try to submit this. And that's accepted. Thanks for watching.